Food stamp enrollment down big, dropping 600,000 people just in the month of January. President Trump, on a similar note, issued an executive order which would require recipients of government benefits to join the workforce. Pastor Darrell Scott, Urban Revitalization Coalition CEO, is with us now. Pastor, welcome to the program. First of all, this decline in food stamp rolls, 600,000 in January alone. The left says we're starving kids. What say you?
I say that it's a good thing that that there's a decline in the food stamp rolls. You know, the president just rolled out his new economic mobility reforms, and his goal is to take American citizens from poverty to prosperity, from dependence to independence, from welfare to work. The thing we have to realize is welfare was never intended to be a lifestyle, nor was it intended especially to be generational. I mean, you have second, third, fourth generation welfare recipients in America, and it was never intended to do to serve that purpose.
But is it cruel, I mean, in any sense of the word, is it cruel to push people off welfare, perhaps by requiring them to work? Is it cruel?
I don't see how it's cruel to encourage able-bodied American citizens to seek employment, especially if employment is available, which it is. The unemployment numbers are down, jobs are up, you know, companies are hiring. America is pushing more towards economic prosperity. It's a great time in America to get good jobs and better jobs. So why would we encourage someone to take advantage of a welfare system that was never intended to be a handout? It was simply to be temporary assistance for those that are in need.
Is the black community on board with this?
The black community will get on board with it. I mean, we don't want to be marginalized and stereotyped as a community of indigents and lazy people that all we want is welfare. It's a mindset. There's a scripture in the Bible that talks about being transformed by the renewing of our mind. If we get this messaging right, that this is an opportunity to better ourselves, that we're not being disenfranchised, we're simply being empowered to prosper, and then we can start thinking and doing for ourselves more on that level. And once again, it was never intended to be generational or to be a lifestyle. It was only to be a temporary assistance, and that's all.